Click the subscribe button, click the bell icon for all the new updates from our channel. Hello everyone, welcome to Grape Art. Nothing feels as satisfying and happy as making your own homemade wine from fresh grapes. So this is a 3 weeks process and the wine will be ready at the time of Christmas. Here I have fresh grapes directly from the grapes farm. You need to destem the grapes and wash it thoroughly to get rid of all the dirts. And you need to dry it really well using a kitchen towel. Here I am making the wine from 1 kg of grapes. Now take a well-sterilized ceramic pot and add the grapes. Now the next step is crushing and pressing. For many years, people used to stomp the grapes using their feet. But we are doing this using a wooden spoon. And you need to make this into a must. Now let's weigh the other ingredients like wheat, sugar. Here I am using raw sugar. One egg white. And some yeast. Here I have used instant yeast. If you are using dry yeast, you need to proof it before adding it into the grapes. Now let's add all the ingredients into the ceramic pot. Mix it really well. Now I am adding 1 liter of water which is boiled and cooled completely. Finally add in 1 clove, a small piece of cinnamon stick and mix it. Now close it with the lid and tightly cover it using a cling wrap or use a muslin cloth and tie it properly. Now keep it closed for 21 days, but every alternate day open it and stir it. After 3 weeks, let's open the jar and strain the wine. So take a strainer with a muslin cloth and place it on a bowl and strain it. Look at the beautiful bright red color. Now take the muslin cloth and squeeze out each drop of that wine. You can store this strained wine in the same ceramic pot and store it for a long time. So definitely make your own homemade grape wine during this Christmas. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grapepot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.